Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to type equations and formulas in MS Word document. I have put here a few examples. So to start with, click on Insert and here you can see two options, equations and symbols. In symbols, there are a lot of symbols, you can insert them. And in equations, click on equations and you get this section. There are a lot of options over here. You can use according to your requirements. And you get an equation text box and you need to type the equation in this text box. For example, E is equal to mc square, and to put c square you need to use this ex script. Select superscript and type c square, and this completes your equation. So once typing the full equation, click outside the text box. So let me delete the whole equation. Okay, now let's see for another example. I have a is equal to pi r square. So go to insert, click on equations, and in the equation text box type a is equal to pi r square. A is equal to, and to put the pi, here we have some list of symbols over here. You can select the pi from this list, pi, and for r square again select the superscript and type the r square. And this completes the equation. Click outside. Okay, now let's see for another example. A square plus b square plus c square. Go to equations again and type the formula. So put the superscript three times for b square and then for c square. Now type the a square, now b square, and then c square. So in this way we type equations and formulas in MS Word document. Let me go back to equation. In equations, click here. There are some inbuilt equations. Just select them and insert them on your document. For example, a is equal to pi r square. Let me remove this and insert a bigger one. Go to equations again and let me select a bigger one and click outside. Now let's go back to the equation. Insert and equation, and let me select fractions. Select the first one and type the fraction which you want. Okay, let me type 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and click outside. And there are a lot of other options in equation, and you can use them according to your requirement. So in this way we type equations and formulas in MS Word document. Hope you like this. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.